So now that we ran through the display of a real life scenario for a building, what are the other benefits of using a CircuitSolver? The biggest one is that it's tamper resistant. The first thing that you typically see when someone complains about a room not getting hot water, either in a hotel, multifamily building, is the maintenance guy goes up to that floor, figures out what branch or riser it is, and then adjusts that balancing valve to allow more water to flow through there. Yes, they solve that particular tenant, that particular guest's hot water issue, but by increasing the flow, they're taking flow away from the other parts of the building. So now the building is imbalanced and more people are going to be complaining that they're not getting hot water. What this leads to is now the contractor's getting pulled back in. They're getting callbacks. They're going back to the hotel to readjust the building and try to rebalance it. With the CircuitSolver, you're specifying the temperature that you want to modulate off of. So you're not going to be able to have that facility guy make that adjustment on the valve and mess up the building. CircuitSolver offers an industry-leading 10-year warranty on our valve. It is truly just install it and forget it type of valve. It's going to modulate your flows based off the temperature that the valve is seeing, so it's going to ensure that you're getting enough flow to overcome the heat loss in your system and avoid getting any complaints about not getting hot water in your building.